Kanina kasi natanong ni SB Mix na may mga pressure from outside kaya siya under your leadership, paano niyo po navigate yung mga ganun?
Outside the Senate, outside the country. Anong outside? At the end of the day, ang pagpapalit o pagkakaroon o pananatili ng liderato sa Senado ay dumedepende sa kumpiyansa ng mas nakararaming miyembro ng Senado. Ang bawat miyembro may kanya-kanyang rason kung bakit at bakit hindi at ginagalang at tinatanggap ko yun. Gaya ng sabi ko kanina, walang team ko, team mo, team niya. Team dapat naming lahat ay ang bansang Pilipinas. And I look forward to working to each and every member of Congress, whether majority or minority.
Will you follow instructions?
From who? Ang naghalal sa akin ay ang sambayan ng Pilipino, tulad ng lahat ng miyembro ng Senado, at hindi yata tama o makatarungan na mag-akusa sino man, invento man o column o haka-haka o social media na susunod kung kanino man. Ang sinusunod namin, pangunahin, ang mas nakatataas na interes ng sambayan ng Pilipino, mas nakatataas na interes ng ating bansa, at pangalawa, ang aming mga konsensya kaugnay sa mga sasabihin naming pananalita o mga boto na ibibigay namin sa anumang issue.
Sir, under your leadership po,
Bigyan mo natin. Bigyan mo natin. Yes.
Sir, paano po yung charter change?
We will discuss it on the part of the majority, but you know my position. And I have no plans of changing my position.
So, does that mean wala nang charter?
Meron ba ngayon? Meron ba ngayon? Again, we will discuss it on the part of the majority. And I think I was one of the more vocal ones during that time. So I don't see any reason why there should be concerns about that.
So would you say Chacha is dead in the Senate?
It's not for me to say. It's not for me to say because, again, I have my own position. We will discuss it, and I have no reason to change my position.
Sir, kasi nag-resign na si Senator Angara as chairman of the subcommittee. Meron pa silang plano to go to Visayas and Mindanao this...
Pansamantalang hindi matutuloy yun. Nag-resign ba siya as also subcommittee chair or only finance chair? Okay. We will not hold any such hearings outside of Metro Manila or even inside the Senate. And we will formally make known our decision as a group and as a Senate with respect to this.
Sir, what about pressures coming from the palace?
I'm sorry?
Pressures coming from the palace. How would you deal with it?
I think today I voted against the tax measure, which was proposed by the DOF. So even before I was elected, I don't see any reason why that should change. So it's an unfair even thought to say that at this point in time.
What about on a personal level? If it would be involving the president?
Malapit ako kay Pangulong Noynoy Aquino. Hindi kami nagkasundo sa maraming bagay dahil alam niya may trabaho ko bilang senador noong panahon yon. May trabaho din siya bilang Pangulo. Ganon din kay Pangulong Duterte mula nung mayor siya hanggang presidente. At sa totoo lang, ang pinakamalapit kong naging kaibigan ng presidente ay si Pangulong Aquino. Malayo kumpara sa sino mang naging Pangulo pagkatapos niya, bago niya o ngayon. At tingin ko may pruweba at ika nga, may pwede na akong pakita at patunayan na kahit na siya na yung pinakamalapit kong kaibigan, hindi niya ako na-influensyan sa mga pasakon ng mga panahon yun. At nandito kayo bilang saksi nun. Ang siseryoso naman ang tanong niyo. Wala bang medyo masayang tanong na nakakatawa man lang na...
Hindi na seryoso.
Kasi mahaba naman yung panahon natin para mag-usap ng mga seryosong bagay.
Okay lang, sir. So, yung hindi masyadong seryoso, so paano yung pagiging fashion?
sir, mag-iikaw ka.
Ano na? Wala namang rule na nagsasabing bawal at hindi pwede. Trip-trip lang yan.
Pero yung invited abroad din kasi, sir, diba?
I honestly don't know. But my priority will be my job now as Senate President, not only for the country, not only for the institution, but also for my colleagues.